Hi everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today I am joining in the hashtag Road to 750 hosted by Jen at Sassy Southern NC Girl. I will be sure to link her channel down below. She is trying to reach 750 subscribers and I know she will get there in no time at all. She is requesting that you share her channel, doing a VR, and an optional entry to send a 4x6 decorated index card. I have never created a 4x6 index cards. I was working on making some bee die cuts, so I decided to go with a bee theme. This is the 4x6 card that I created. I had this bee paper in my stash. This little bee is from a Cricut sampler cartridge. I used a piece of vellum Project Life card back here. I have a Just Buzzing By to Say Hi stamp from the Stamps of Life. And I did include some information of mine on the back. Along with this index card, I'm also sharing a set of my dewdrops in bee colors. And I've chosen blue because that's what I decided to make the bee wings. And I'm also sharing some extra bee dies that I cut out for her. Jen, good luck on your road to 750 subscribers. I hope you enjoy my entry. I thank you guys so much for stopping by and have a great day. Bye guys.